Hello, my name is Callie Dompier. I am your instructor for this intermediate algebra course. It is a fully online course, so that means that you will be working at your own pace. This is just a video to tell you a tiny bit about myself, a little bit about the structure of the course and the expectations and what you need to do right after watching this to start your semester. Okay. So about me, I taught high school for 6 years, and this is my second year with Carl Albert. I love math. I really love teaching, and I am just excited and grateful to be a part of your journey as you get one step closer to whatever the goal is that you set when you enrolled with Carl Albert, because I think that that's the best part of my job, is definitely helping people move up, move forward. All right. Email is the best way to reach me because I live in France. There's a time difference and it's later there. So yeah, it's later there. I was going to say when we have 10 a.m. class, but we don't have 10 a.m. class. You do not meet with me. You just watch my videos. We can meet over Zoom if you want. All right. I appreciate your patience. When you do email me, that it takes a while for me to get back to you, but I do encourage you to ask a lot of questions, ask them immediately. And then if you find the answer, you can just email me, never mind, right? Because the sooner I get the question, the sooner you get the answer, including that delay. I'm happy to meet over Zoom if you need me. I have tutored students in math in previous semesters, but I do have the largest student group I've ever had this semester, so it might not be feasible. However, Carl Albert does offer free tutoring. There are many different options for free tutoring, and they are all outlined in our Blackboard. Ask My Instructor is a button you can press on many of your homework questions, and then it sends an email to me. You can explain what your question is, or I can see what your wrong answer was. I can see the question, and I can make you a short video to explain to you what I would do to solve that problem. So that is always an option. So I just told you there's a button you can press in your homework. That is because we are using My Math Lab from Pearson's. The link to My Math Lab is on Blackboard, so you follow that link and you can register for My Math Lab today. You can use a 14-day free trial. You do not have to pay them. You do not have to input any codes. And then you can decide after 14 days, yes, I'm going to finish this course. No, not right now, right? So start the free trial as soon as you can. And then after the 14 days, put in the code from the library that you purchased, or just buy it right there off of Pearson's, okay? Also, if you are eligible for student aid, but your student aid hasn't come in, you can tell the library. They will give you your code now, and they can deduct that cost from your student loans whenever they do come in, okay? That's another option. This course has homework, exams, and quizzes. The quizzes are new. I added them. They increase the value of your homework grade, right? So homework and quizzes is worth a certain amount, and now exams are worth a bit less than usual. Before I had quizzes, but this is the first time I've had quizzes. My goal is that you feel prepared for an exam, okay? So you're doing your homework. Take your time on the homework. It should average about an hour per assignment, okay? This is a 3-credit class. You'll do 3 hours of lecture videos and then 3 hours of homework. Usually a college class, the number of credits is the number of hours you need to sit in class, and then also the number of hours of homework each week. So a 3-credit class means 3 hours of class, which would be the videos, and then 3 hours of homework, which would be the My Math Lab. Take your time. All of that to say, please take your time, okay? I can see how long you take on it. I can see if you're working ahead or you're waiting until the last minute, right? I'm here to teach you math. I'll do whatever I can to teach you math. If you need something, life happens. If there's a date change that you need to make happen in the future, and I need to open an assignment for you later, I can do that. But what I would like to see if I did do that was that you have been taking the class seriously, you've been taking your time, you've been doing the homework slowly, right? You've learned the content. So then I can be flexible, because I know that that flexibility will help you to continue to learn the content, not that you're just here to, rush through using outside resources, perhaps. So that's the homework. Just take your time, right? And then exams. There will be certain exams with a button that says show your work. press that button and then you can type in how you found your answer, or you can even write on there. If you don't want to do that, if that just doesn't work for you, you can also write it on a piece of paper and then email me that paper, either a photo or a scan of that paper after you finish your exam, okay? So there will be a couple show your work questions on the exams, but they will all be multiple choice, okay? The exams will be proctored. You can either go to the Academic Resource Center on campus anytime that they're open and take the exam through My Math Lab, or you can use an HonorLock application. So you download the HonorLock application onto your computer webcam films you and films your screen, just so that everybody's working under the same conditions. We can see that no one is cheating. Your HonorLock video should show something like this, where I can see your hands, I can see that you're doing math, I can see your eyes, right? And then the quizzes. So quizzes are not proctored. Again, and maybe at the end of the semester, let me know whether the quizzes were a positive or a negative for you. So I know whether to do them next semester. But basically, after you do the homework, take the quiz. The quiz questions will mirror the exams, except the quiz is short answer, so not multiple choice. So you're solving the quiz questions as though they were exams, so that you know whether or not you're prepared to take the exam. But you can take the quiz up to each quiz up to 3 times, and I will take the highest score and put it into your grade, your Blackboard grade. Okay, so you have your homework grade and your quiz grade. It's more like your homework grade because you can do it many times, right? Like, make sure you know how to do it, but it's not like I'm proctoring it and telling you that it's a test, right? It's a quiz. Do I know this? And then your exam after your quiz should mirror the quiz, but because it's multiple choice, it'll be easier. Just make sure that you show your work if the exam asks you to show your work, if the exam question asks you to show your work, so that you can get credit for that question. So that is our course. What you can do now is read the syllabus, please. It hopefully has even more information for you than this video, just more details, answered all your questions. If you have other questions, email me. If there's something I should know about your situation this semester, email me, okay? The sooner, the sooner we get that going, the better I think both of us will, well, certainly the better we'll know each other, and the more we can help, I can help you. So read the syllabus. There's a syllabus assignment. It's very short, just 2 questions. I agree, I agree. And then you can register for My Math Lab and start My Math Lab. There's an HonorLock practice exam, and then there's another exam without a password that's just to practice showing your work. Okay, that is all I have. I thank you so much for watching this, and I look forward to hearing from you this semester.